Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. In today's video, we will discuss about the Python while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as specified conditions remains true. So here comes the syntax, that is we have to use the while and provide the condition, and you can just use the code to be executed. So when a while loop is executed, the expression is evaluated in a Boolean context, and if it is true, the loop body is executed. And then the expression is checked again. If it is still true, then the body is executed again. And this continues until the expressions becomes false. So the difference between a while loop and a for loop is that we know the number of iterations that we are just going to get in for loop. But in case of while loop, it is used to get the number of iterations as unknown. So now let's discuss an example over here. I'll be using the while loop. So to use the while loop here, you can find the syntax. So you can provide while, then your condition. So I'm going to use a bracket in order to set the condition, that is count less than 3. So here you can see that we have just got something error over here. This means that we haven't defined the count over here. So I'll be assigning the count equal to 0. So currently, the variable count has got a value 0 over there. Okay. And now we just need to get the result. Now, when the condition satisfies, we just need to print the string side process. Okay. So here, as I just click on the run button, here you can see that we're just getting the infinite iteration over here, which means we don't know what is the result of iterations that we are just getting because the condition is true. Now let me change the condition from 0 to 7. And again, let me run this. So if I just run this here, you can see that as 7 is not less than 3, the condition is false and it has just moved out of the loop and we haven't put the result here. Now let me again change the value as 0 itself. But in this case, I just need to only get the result. I just need to print 3 times. So for that, I'll be using the assignment operator. So we have already learned different assignment operators, and I'm going to use the assignment operator here. So here you can see that I'm going to use the addition assignment. So I'll be giving the addition assignment as count equal to count plus 1. Or we can also define this likewise. Count, actually, assignment operator, addition assignment operator is basically count equal to plus 1. This is the actual assignment operator. That is the addition assignment operator. But when you just expand that, you will get the result like count is equal to count plus 1. So either you can use this or use this one. Okay. Now, when you just run the file again, you can see you will get the result as side process over here. Now, you will be confused how you just got the result likewise. So here in this case, you can see in first case, we can say that the count is 0. So 0 is obviously less than 3. So the condition is satisfied. Okay, so 0 is actually less than 3. The condition is satisfied. So in that case, first string will be printed. That is the side process will be printed over there. Now, again, we will consider the 0 with 1. That is the second iteration. We are just going to move with the second iteration. So 0 plus 1 is actually what? 1. So in this case, in the variable count, currently we have stored 1. As you just go with the while condition, you can see 1 is obviously less than 3. So you will get side process, the string over here, as the condition is true. Now again, we will consider that 1 with the 1. So in that case, now we will replace 1 with 2. And here we can see that currently count variable has got the value as 2. And as you just make the condition with the while loop, here you can see that 2 is less than 3 and that condition is true and you have just got the result over here. Now when you just consider the other, when you just try to do the other iteration here, will we get the other iteration? No. So when you just try to add 2 with 1, you will get the result as 3. And in the count 3, you can say that 3 is not less than 3. Hence, the case is false. So we will only get the result as 3 strings over here, which means the string side process only printed over here by 3 times. Okay. So if you just need to include the condition, which means if you are just giving the condition likewise, then you will get the result of printing side process in 4 times. Okay. Now let me run the file, and here you can see currently 3 is, when you just consider the integer 3, and when you just move on with the condition, you can see that 3 is less than or equal to 3. It can be either 3 or less than. Okay, so the condition is satisfied over here. So that we just got the result over here. Like we have just printed the string in 4 times. Okay, now let's move on to the infinite while loop in Python. So in this case, the value of the condition is always true. Therefore, the body of the loop is run infinite times until the memory is full. So I'm going to give an example. Let's say age is equal to 29, and we will be using the while loop with the condition as age greater than 19. So if the condition is true, I just need to print infinite loop over here. Okay, infinite loop. So I'm going to run the file. So before that, we can just check the condition. So here you can see the age is 29. So as you just compare, 29 is greater than 19. Obviously, the condition is true. And here you can see that the body of the loop runs infinite times until the memory is full. So I'm going to run the file, and here you can just see the result. Now let me change the value as age as 9, and again let me rerun this. So as I just rerun, here you can see that we won't be getting any result. This is because 9 is not greater than 19. Hence, the condition is false. So you can say we won't be getting the results over here. So that's all about using of the while loop in Python, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.